Today I got a package from the UK. Here it is. I'm gonna unbox this. These. NQD tear into jet boat. So I got two, one white and one yellow, and I also have ordered 2.4 GHz radio system, brushless water-cooled motor for one of them, and LiPo battery. So one of these are gonna be brushless, and the other one is gonna be brushed, and I'm gonna change the speed controller and receiver and transmitter, so both can run very good, I think. The reason why one is gonna be brushed and one is gonna be brushless is that my sons are gonna drive the one that is brushed, and I'm gonna drive the brushless one. So I'm gonna unbox the white one, I think. You can have a closer look. So this is how it comes stock. This has a little transmitter with a throttle and steering. That one I'm gonna throw away. And also the battery goes with a 9.6 volts 700 milliampere. This is a battery for the transmitter and the charger for this battery that I'm not going to use. So this will go to the This is what I want. It's a 125 scale boat with a jet engine. Sucks in water here and it flushes out in the back. Really a cool one. You can turn your head like that. I think this comes with a stand. This this. I'm gonna mount this. Okay. So I'm gonna stay like this. I'll show some closer. This looks like an engine. Look in here. I think this has some really cool details. Driver, co-pilot, roll bars. Jet engine. So I'm gonna put a new servo in also. Look at this. I'll take this off. And I think under here it's just a battery tray. Yes. The idea is to cut this open like I see in other servo, and the electronics and stuff is down here. I'm gonna take out all the electronics, the motor and everything, and mount the new brushless system. So I'm gonna put this back on for now. Okay, I hope you liked the unboxing, and I think this will be really cool when it's done and ice and snow are melting. Okay, bye bye.